So, this is my Induscom ceiling fan that replaced a Nova ceiling fan that the regulator that was here. This is actually just a replacement regulator that I put for the Nova ceiling fan since the original one had sparked and just didn't work anymore. But I don't have that up here anymore. I put this one here mostly because this one has better air movement and the efficiency is pretty much the same. I think they're both 75 watts. So we're going to test this out starting with low speed. That's a very slow startup. This is why I normally start on high speed, because this is going to take a while. That's actually a pretty slow low speed for an industrial ceiling fan. I hear it vibration. It's actually pretty silent on low speed, so that's good. That's this is the kind of thing I was looking for, because the other one made a whistling noise because of the way the blades were designed. I think this is as fast as it goes on low. Not bad for an industrial ceiling fan, but it's pretty impractical because it moves like no air going this slow. Right. Oh, I heard that. That sounded like a sizzle. I'll just ignore it. It's not going to end the world. Alright, this is speed 2, as you saw. This is pretty much what low speed was like on the original fan that was in here. So this has a slower low. Let's just double check if anything's wrong in here. I can't seem to find any regulator made in 2020 that doesn't do that. Yeah, speed 2 is pretty good, I like it. This might be the speed I use it on. I'm hoping it won't sizzle again when I... Alright, speed 3. Like, what happened with the Nova regulator was that I changed the speed to 5 and then you could see blue sparks through the knob. So that's what got me to mostly get rid of it. I still have it though. It's still fairly new, it's just not really... It's been used so much that it doesn't perform very well anymore, but that can all be repaired. So, speed 3. This is about the same speed 3 that was on the original fan. It does make some air movement noise. It moves a lot more air. And it's a lot more stable than the original fan, but it does have a slight... Let's see if I can... A slight wobble, but you can't see it. Alright, speed 4. Right, this is where it gets... This is where it starts getting very fast. So... here's the instruction manual. You might have seen I had a ton of those, a ton of these instruction manuals. Well, that's for a later date to explain, but yeah, this is the one that came with it. Alright, this is speed 4. Let's try speed 5. This is as fast as it can go. I need something to test the air movement, so we're just gonna grab this is the air movement we're getting. It's okay. It's not the greatest though. Alright, now let's just set it to off. Alright, so I suspect the regulator is going to do the same thing again. If it does, then I'll probably need to find an old regulator, because those are, although they're noisy, they don't do the thing where they sizzle and spark. So spin down's actually pretty slow. I mean quick. I don't know though, because it hasn't. Now, let me just check how this looks with the lights. Alright, that's okay. Okay, I'm just going to skip this and we're going to test the temperature of the motor, because that can help determine how efficient it is. So after that 5-speed demo, the motor shouldn't really be too hot. Let's see what temperatures we're getting. This is in Celsius, 29 degrees Celsius. That's okay, not bad. Let's take a look, if I can get to it. The date sticker is somewhere up there. May 2020 was when it was manufactured. Where is it? Oh, that's the information sticker, but not the. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so the temperature test is now a new thing I'm going to do to test how well the fan works. So 29 degrees Celsius on this one after a 5-speed test. So that was PowerCat. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Remember to share this video with anyone you know. So I'll see you next time. Sorry, it's been a long time since I've recorded anything. So, yeah, bye.